Hello everyone and welcome to my another video tutorial. In this video we are going to track our keyword ranking in Google search engine, as we already created backlinks on infographics, on Web 2.0 properties, on document sharing and many other resources, and we did a pinging and indexing of our website. So in this video we are going to track our website ranking. So let's go to whatsmyserp.com and check the keyword position. Okay, we have previously used this website to check the keyword, and our all keyword was down. You can see the previous score. So let's go and check for all keywords. So this is our domain, the Google global version, and then click on check all keyword. So we will get the position of our keywords. Okay, so our first keyword is on 48th position, and let's check where are all our keywords. As you can see that some of keyword found in Google engine and their previous position from previous position, they are up, and some of them nowhere in the top 300 result, like this keyword, this one. Okay, this is up. Okay, so as you can see, the result is very good, and we have our keyword under 100. All keyword are under 100 and some of them are under 30. This one is on 17th, 27th, 13th, 17th. So now we need to leave the rest to the Google, so it will automatically give the best ranking to our website. Right now it's a Google dance. So you can see the SERP increase in all our keyword, and some of them are nowhere, like this keyword is nowhere in the top 300 result. Same with this keyword and same with this keyword. So from out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So out of 11 keywords, 3 keywords are nowhere in the top 300 result, and most of the keywords are in top 30 result. But this may be a Google dance, so we will wait and watch where Google plays our keyword permanently. Okay, so that's all for this video, and thanks for watching it. One more thing, you can also do the same thing. You can use the same processor to rank up your keywords, and thanks.